Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library again. And this week is Meteor Week. And guess what? If you come and pick up your craft packet, you're going to get everything to make your very own rocket ship. And the first thing that comes out of your bag is a sheet that looks like this. And it says 1, 2, 3, blast off. And all of your directions are on this sheet. And as you can see, there are some rockets here, but no two rockets are alike. And your rocket will be just for you, it will be unique to you, and it will be the way you want to make it, okay? So that's our first thing that you get. And then if you dump your bag out, you'll see you have a reading sheet, which you'll want to keep track of and come get your prizes. And then you'll have a craft tube that looks like this. And then you'll have a plain sheet of paper, a nice big sheet of paper. And what I did was I covered my craft tube before. And all you do is roll it up on your paper like this and then tape it. So here's your rocket, okay? And then, where's my scissors? I lost, oh, there they are. I got scissors. Take your scissors and cut right in to your rocket like this. And you're going to hold it. I'm sorry. Tape time. Fold it like this. Kind of looks like a little circle. And I'm going to tape mine to save time. And you just tape it. And then that will be the very top of your rocket. Oops. Better sit on there. Okay. And then we have some pieces that look like this. And I'm going to take mine too. I'm just going to fold over the edge like that. I'm going to tape it. And I'm going to put it on my rocket just like, oh, top keeps falling. You have to glue that actually. There's the bottom part. We'll put that on last. And then here's the other side like this. And you tape it just like this. Okay. And then you have this part of your rocket finished. Okay. Now we're going to have to, I'm going to put some tape under here just to hold this until we're finished with that. Okay. Put them just like that. Hope it'll stay. And then you have all kinds of stickers in here. And you just start peeling off your stickers and you just start decorating your rocket any way that you want to decorate it. And it will be your rocket. Oh, I'm going to have to do something about that, guys. What are we going to do? Hold it. I know. Guess what? Elmer's, we're going to fix that rocket once and for all. Let's put this. Oh, yeah. There you go, Connie. There we go. Oh, yeah. Put that glue on there. I'll make a mess. Make a little mess. You have got to stay on here. Do not fall off again. I'm telling you. Stay on. And you know what? If you hold him a little bit, he will. When you make a craft, sometimes you just have to change things around a little bit and make them work for you. You just have to do that. So we're going to hope that he stays there. And we're just going to keep putting on our stickers. And we'll put on all of our stickers and make it look pretty cool. This is your rocket ship. And I hope that when you do this, if you could take a picture of your rocket and put it on our Facebook or send it to us so that we could see what kind of rockets you made, we would love to. Because guess what? They're going to be all different colors, all different sizes, and all different shapes. So I think your rocket will look magnificent. And up and away. Have a good one, and we'll see ya. Bye, guys. Miss ya.